Hi everybody, Charlie here with the Recon shop. Behind me we have a really nice 2019 Dodge Ram. We had a series of dents that we repaired using Paintless Dent Repair. Let's start with the first couple. On the passenger side cab corner and the front of the passenger side of the bed, we had a long crease that went from the bed right into the cab corner. This was severely creased in the center, and of course there was some slight scratching. In order for us to repair the bedside, we had to remove that trim that goes around the wheel well and reinstall it, and you can't even tell it was off. We were able to keep this vehicle as original as possible using Paintless Dent Repair. Now, moving on to the rear of the bedside, we were able to repair the dent under the tail light by removing the tail light and gaining access to the back side of that panel. Again, this damage had some slight scratching in it, but we were able to keep it as original as possible using Paintless Dent Repair. I believe it came out fantastic. Now, moving on to the driver's side of the vehicle. Just under the gas door, there was a sharp little dent with a slight scratch in it. We were able to remove that dent using Paintless Dent Repair, and it came out fantastic. Remember, if you have damage like this on your vehicle and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're also conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.